Now we are going to discuss about basic proportionality theorem. This is one of the most important theorem for 10th class students. See the statement. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. In the statement, it is given two parts. The first part is given part and the second one is what we have to prove. See the first part, a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Take DE is parallel to BC. DE is drawn parallel to BC and to intersect the other two sides in distinct points. DE is intersected AB at D and AC at E. D and E are distinct points and D is parallel to BC. Now see the second part, what we have to prove. Here required to prove is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This one we have to prove. To prove AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, we need some construction. That is, we have to join CD and BE, and also we have to draw two perpendicular lines. That is, one perpendicular EN to AB and another DM to AC. Now take two triangles, triangle ADE and triangle BDE. Here we have to find areas of these two triangles. To find area of triangle, we have a formula, that is area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. If you take base as AD, height becomes EN. At the same time, for triangle BDE also EN is height because EN is perpendicular to AB. Now area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base AD into height EN. Half into base into height, half into AD into EN. Now another triangle BDE, if you take BD as base, EN is height. Now area of triangle BDE is equal to half into BD into EN. Half into BD into EN. Now take ratio of these two triangles. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN. 1 by 2 get cancelled, EN get cancelled. Here remains AD by BD. Let this one as first equation. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD. Now see triangle ADE and triangle CDE. Area of triangle ADE with the base AE. If base AE, then DM becomes height because DM is perpendicular to AC. Is nothing but DM is perpendicular to AE. Therefore area of triangle ADE is half into AE into DM for base AE. Now height of triangle CDE is CE is part of AC, so DM is again height for this triangle also. Height of triangle CDE is DM. Now area of triangle CDE is equal to half into base into height, half into EC into DM. Now take ratio for these two triangles, area of triangle ADE and area of triangle CDE is equal to half into AE into DM by half into EC into DM. 1 by 2 get cancelled, DM get cancelled, you get AE by EC. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE is equal to AE by EC. Let this one as second equation. Now observe these two triangles BDE and CDE, these are on the same base DE and between same parallels BC and DE. See this, area of triangle BDE and area of triangle CDE, these both are between same parallel lines having equal base, then area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Let this one as third equation. Now see first, second and third equations. From those three equations we can conclude both equations, that is first equation and second equation will be equal, because area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE in first equation, in second equation also area of triangle ADE by CDE, but ADE is equal to BDE is equal to CDE, therefore AD by BD is equal to AE by EC. From first, second, third equations we conclude AD by BD equal to AE by EC. This is what we have to prove. Hence proved.